I'm Andy Treadwell and I'm the Managing Director of the new Thailand Yacht Show. The show's principal focus is on super yachts and chartering. We're putting on this show in partnership with the Thailand government. The main part of our mission is actually to get super yachts to come to Thailand. It's a fantastic part of the world to go yachting and cruising. A lot of people know about it, but not many people come here. Not many yacht owners bring their boats all this way because of the inability to charter. And what we're achieving with the government's support is changing those regulations and allowing the big super yachts of the world to come to this part and charter for the winter season. This, of course, fits perfectly with the Tourism Authority of Thailand's drive to bring high-end tourism to the country. The show's got off to a good start, especially in the very short period of time we've had to organise it. It's not just about the super yachts that we've brought in. We've got a very good lineup of smaller boats. This marina is right in the middle of Phang Nga Bay, one of the most beautiful destinations certainly I've ever seen. We've been working very closely with some of our industry colleagues on an initiative to persuade the government to change the regulations surrounding super yacht charter in this part of Thailand. The feedback that we've been getting has been tremendously enthusiastic and supportive, so we're already making plans for the next edition of the show.